Hello everyone, my name is MAracena2025-1599. My ID number is 2025-1599. I am student computer forensic, and today I will talk about the insect food and the future of our diet. Many people think eating insect is strange, but scientific believe they call solving food problems in the future. In this presentation, I will explain what the article say. I compare different opinions and I give my personal opinion. First, let's talk about what does the article say. According of the article, the insects are good source protein because they need less water, less food, and less space than cows or chicken. The article also say that insects produce less pollution. Another important idea is that insect farms could become cheaper than traditional meat in the future, and they could help many families to save money or food. Now, there are many advantages. Example, first, the insects are healthy because they have proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Second, the insects are better for environment because they produce less pollution. Three, they use fewer natural resources. Four, the insect farms could create new jobs and new businesses. And finally, insect produce could become cheaper than beef and chicken. However, there are also disadvantages. Example, many people don't like the idea for eating insect because some people think insect look unpleasant, and another are worried about food safely or allergies. Another problem is that many cultures are don't use eating insect. Because of this, many people may reject these ideas. Now let's talk about the other opinions. Example, many scientific believe insect can be help growing world population, and environmental expert is support this opinion because the insect farm is more sustainable. They say it's help reduce pollution and defend natural resources. Another opinion, chef can be used insect in food like cookies, snack, and I don't know, bread. Example, uh, when the insect meats for the other food, many people don't notice them. However, many people prefer the traditional food like chicken, fish, beef. They say eating insect feels strange because of their cultures or because of their traditions. Now let's compare the different opinions. Example, the article and the scientific is agree that insect is nutrition, and the scientific and environmental expert also agree that insect is better for the environment. The article say that insect farms could reduce food costs, and many experts disagree. The chef believe insect food is is can good, but he believe the people can not ready for try it. In my personal opinion, I don't believe try eating insect because I maybe is for my culture or my tradition, but I don't think this is a great idea. I I think it's a great idea for the future because they reduce cost of the food. They are very better for the environment, but in my personal opinion, I prefer the traditional food like beef, chicken, and fish because I prefer this. Thank you for listening. This all.